Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to do this earring with beads. See, nice. It's an old earring, no need to throw away. We can still recycle like that. You can change colors for your dress. Okay, I'll show you how to do. Okay, this is the ring. I'm going to make 20 single crochet inside. I'm going to avoid this part because this part is the clipping part. Okay, we stop here. 20 single crochet. Okay, turn. One chain. I'm going to make single crochet, 4 single crochet. I'm using a smaller yarn. Not to say yarn, also it's like a thread, like it is. 2, 2, 3, okay, 4. Then I'm going to make 4 chain, skip 1 single crochet stitch, then you're going to make 1 single crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 1 single crochet. You will get 5 rings like this. Okay, okay, the balance here, just leave it. We are going to turn 1 chain, 1 single crochet in here. Okay, we are going to make 6 double crochet inside here. We are going to make 6 double crochet. Is a shell stitch. Okay, one chain. We're going the other side. For the next one, one single crochet, one chain, one single crochet, then 6 double crochet, single crochet in here, the last one. Then you're going to make one chain, then single crochet in the next, and 6 double crochet. Okay, single crochet, one chain. For the next one, single crochet, 6 double crochet, one chain, one single crochet, 6 double crochet, single crochet. Okay, we are going for the next round. Okay, we are going to make one single crochet here, one single crochet, next one single crochet, on the third also one single crochet. Then we are going to pull over the yarn like this. I have a hook 0.6 mm, so I'm going to put inside the beads here. Pull it a bit longer, this one. So you are going to pull the yarn through it. Okay, I change my hook. Okay, I'm going to make single crochet for the balance stitch in this shell. Then I'm going to one slip stitch in the middle. Okay, then I'm going to make single crochet in 3 stitches. Okay, I'm going to change my hook. Okay, I'm going to pull through. Okay, then okay, I'm going to do single crochet in 3 more stitches in this shell. Then I'm going to slip stitch in the middle here. Then we are going to make 3 single crochet in 3 stitches and pull the yarn longer. You can make it in whatever color. Pull the yarn through it. Okay. The pearls hole is very small, so a bit harder to pull it out. Okay. Here we did 6 double crochet. Just follow the 6 double crochet. Single crochet, just leave it. Okay, now we are going down here, so you just make sure you make 1 single crochet in the bottom here, then the remaining stitches here. Because just now we didn't do anything here, isn't it? Okay, done. Okay. Okay. I'm going to hide the tail here. Okay, already done, already completed. Okay, nice, our earring. I hope you will do it also. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you.